Hello and welcome back to my garden. It has been a while since my last video. Today I would like to share some moments from my garden in September, when the dahlias were at their peak and the tomatoes needed to be harvested. I hope it will give you some inspiration for the gardening season to come. My garden is packed with flowers, from whites and soft pastel pinks to apricots and oranges, in all shapes and forms. For some the garden might feel a bit too busy, but for me it is my little piece of paradise. The bumblebees are feasting on the nectar of the zinnias. If you would like to help the pollinators in your garden, I highly recommend growing these flowers. For the price of a few euros for a package of seeds and a little bit of work, you can create a restaurant for the bees in your garden. It has been a dry and warm summer, and the tomatoes have done quite well this year. Even the beefsteak tomatoes, that usually prefer growing in a greenhouse, have produced some lovely fruits. And now it is time to harvest them. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it has given you some inspiration. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you again next time.